Map it, using the tree diagram. The tree diagram is designed to help learners categorize information, a key skill in organizing knowledge and understanding how ideas are grouped. This tool is especially useful when a topic contains several themes, subcategories, or layers of detail that need to be logically sorted. The thinking skill at the heart of this organizer is Categorise, one of the core blue strand skills from the thinking framework. By identifying categories and placing related details beneath them, learners build structured knowledge from the top down. To use the tree diagram in your classroom, begin by writing the main topic or question at the top of the page. This is the trunk of the tree. From there, ask learners to identify the main categories or themes that branch out from the central idea. Under each category, learners add supporting details, examples or ideas that belong within that group. As they work, encourage learners to ask, what connects these ideas? And why does this detail belong here? Once complete, the diagram gives a clear visual of how the topic is structured, from the broad idea down to its finer points. This organizer is especially useful in subjects like science, e.g. animal classification, geography, e.g. types of landforms, or PSHE, e.g. kinds of relationships or responsibilities. When learners can categorize information visually, they begin to understand that knowledge is organized, not random. This kind of mental sorting makes new learning easier to grasp and remember. A well-built tree diagram doesn't just show what learners know, it shows how they're starting to structure their thinking for deeper understanding.